How to play games on TikTok. In today's video, we're diving into the new feature on TikTok where you can now play games directly within the app. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of TikTok. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for TikTok. If you find an option that says update, then simply update your TikTok app. Once you've done that, simply open your TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into your account and simply go to the search bar and search for a person named Pokey. This is not a basic feature for playing games on TikTok. This is a website of a TikTok user, so simply go to that. This person posted a link of his website on the bio where you can find over 60 million games without downloading any game. And basically, that is how you can play games on TikTok. So, once you've gone in this person's account, simply here you can find a link in their bio, simply tap on it. Now, it will show you two options. Simply go to the first one, which is pokey.com. This will take you to the website where you can play various type of games, and that's it. That's how you can simply play games on TikTok without downloading any apps.